Oh my god, I'm gonna do it. Would you like to explain what we're doing?
Me. This is why I said you shouldn't invite me. The second anything gets serious, I'm just like, ugh.
I'm gonna be beautiful.
Fun.
That's it, I'm gonna be beautiful. What are we starting with?
I'm gonna cry.
I don't know how makeup works.
But neither do I.
You're the one with the makeup bag.
I know, I don't know if I brought everything.
Well, I don't know everything, so I think you're beating me on that one.
I should wash my face.
Hang on.
I'm too tired for this. I should wash my hands.
Okay.
Thanks a bit now. Why did you invite me to this?
So what do we start with? I don't know anything about makeup.
Do you want to moisturize your own face?
Sure.
Oh my god. I actually hate this.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Just put like a bit of moisturizer.
How much is a bit?
No.
It can mean anything.
What's a less than a blueberry, more than a pea? That's my measurement. We're very specific.
I'm just going in. That's nothing.
No. I'm actually gonna
Is
cry.
that
Go for
enough?
it.
Show the camera.
Oh wow, we love a beauty mirror.
Where do I start?
Okay, just like put it on your fingertips. Oh my god.
What?
You need to moisturize.
No.
I mean, just like. Oh my god.
What?
I don't know, man.
What am I doing wrong?
Everything,
I mean, that makes sense actually.
but like your entire face.
This is exciting.
Great. I mean, I could never be a porn star. I hate being on camera.
Okay. I don't know where that came from. Okay, what's next? What is this? Explain.
Foundation.
What does that mean?
No, man. I'm covering your face. Oh my god, I'm
What?
just so pale. This is way too light for you. I don't know what to do about your beard.
Does this count as whiteface? Is that a thing?
Yeah, this.
I don't know what to do with it either.
Why do you have a beard?
I don't know.
Helpful.
I just sort of.
You're gonna look so much worse when I'm done. I hope
I don't
you
think
know
that's
that.
possible.
Oh, it definitely is. Just you wait. Are you enjoying this?
I don't know.
Is this not your dream?
I mean, I never thought I'd end up here, but you know.
Yeah, neither. Neither of us want to be here, Hamish. Join the club.
I don't know why.
I'm so pale. No, this is not okay. This is making me upset.
Oh my god.
I feel attacked. I don't know how to do people's makeup.
I don't know how to do my own, so.
Neither do I.
Is this ASMR?
God. Yeah.
What?
It's so white. Oh no, mistakes were made.
I can't even see my reflection.
You're gonna be so upset.
I don't see a difference. Is that bad?
Oh phew. In this scenario, I feel like that's good.
So what is that?
Concealer.
I don't speak Spanish. What does that mean?
I don't know. I feel like I should put this under your eyes, but I'm worried I'll hate your eye.
What if I just close my eyes?
It doesn't help.
Oh.
You have really long eyelashes.
Why does everybody point that out?
I only just noticed. Are you afraid?
Very, very
So
afraid.
am I. What? I'm so afraid. Hey,
This thing is terrifying. You're just slowly inching it closer to my eye.
I don't know what you want me to do. You told me to do. We're moving on.
To what? What's next?
A lot of powder.
What does this do? You say I don't know.
You'll find out.
What do you mean I'll find out?
I'm like losing it slowly.
Clearly.
Okay, close your eyes for this.
Okay.
Why are you flinching? I'm just putting a lot of powder under your eyes. It's fine. Don't worry about it. This is so hard to do on
This is
someone else.
terrifying.
This is not okay, Hamish.
How do you think I feel?
Oh my god. I have like this overwhelming fear that I'm gonna blind you.
I think I just tasted it.
Does it taste like peach?
Kinda.
Yeah, you definitely did just taste it. This is really scary.
Yeah, I
I
know.
don't like it. Hamish, this isn't fun. I'm just scared. Why are you scratching up your face?
Tasted it again. How does it keep getting into my mouth? I'm just gonna close my mouth this entire time. You're gonna have to do some running commentary. Brilliant.
I'm gonna pat your chin just for shits and gigs.
I shoved it in my mouth.
I'm really afraid.
How do I feel? So what is this? Is this
Bronzer.
that does what?
I'm gonna darken you up.
Okay.
You're gonna create some controversy.
Okay.
I don't think that did anything.
You're just brushing my hair now.
Yeah, kinda.
What's with the sound effects?
You're making me feel less stressed.
Okay.
Tiny less stressed, but you know.
Do you need to swap sides again?
I'll live.
Okay.
I don't actually think this is doing anything.
Well, I don't know what's happening, so...
This looks really dark on me, but it looks like nothing on you. What the I'm just gonna put a lot of blush on. I actually make you an eager.
Oh no!
Wait, I kind of love it though.
Do I have to do the dance as well?
Oh yeah.
Oh my god.
You look so scary.
Thanks, I hate it.
You and me both. I feel like I've created a monster.
Oh, there was already one to begin with. You just made it look better. Somehow.
Did I?
I mean...
I'm gonna be the scary part.
as if the rest wasn't scary enough.
I'm gonna go under your eye.
Oh no.
I'm dying.
I'm prepared to be
Yeah,
jabbed
that's
with a
fine.
brush.
Yeah, maybe.
Okay.
Is that a reassuring thing to hear?
No!
Okay, cool. Okay, see, this is the issue. Your eyes are gonna need to be open.
Oh no. Okay. Ow!
Did it go in your eyes? I'm sorry. Wait.
I'm gonna tilt my head or something. Ow.
Sorry. Can you open your eye more? It's uneven, but it'll do.
Ah, who cares?
So I don't know if this mascara is good because I've never used it, but I didn't want to give you an eye infection.
Brilliant.
So I guess we'll find out. Wait, should I do this after?
So what is this you're doing?
I don't know anymore.
Oh my god.
I don't actually think they made any difference.
Great.
Content. This is really scary.
That was really close. Oh my god.
So like, if it gets that close, it's not gonna kill you. You look so terrified.
Oh my god.
I'm losing the plot here. Wait.
Just poke my whole eye out.
Look at yourself in a mirror.
Oh my god, I look beautiful.
You look so scary.
I'm terrified.
Yeah, you and me both. I don't like this.
I don't like it either.
Shocking.
I love it.
So scary.
Good.
I'm done.
Is that it? Do I look beautiful? I don't know how to end this video either. Go away.
ASMR.
Oh dear god.
Sorry, I had to. I'm done.
Hi.